Welcome. This is a 10-minute full body morning yoga stretch for beginners. You can do right in bed or on the mat. When you're ready, let's begin seated. Hands resting on your legs or your thighs here. Letting the hands be heavy. And just taking a moment to connect with the breath. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the nose. We'll take 3 big inhales here. With each exhale, sighing out any tension within the shoulders, so just allowing the shoulders to be really heavy here. Perfect. Begin circulating the neck. Gentle movements, so just feeling out all the clicks and ticks, warming up the spine. We'll go opposite direction. Again, just observing any sensations here. Back to center. Begin finding some organic movement within the waist. So maybe just rotating in a circular motion or rocking side to side. Back to center. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, elbows in line with the shoulders for cactus. Inhale, reaching up overhead. We'll continue syncing breath with movement. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, left hand to the mat. Right hand reaches up overhead for a seated side stretch. Inhale, hands back overhead, reach tall. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Continue syncing breath with movement. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the left. Continue at your own pace. We'll inhale the hands back to center. Exhale, twisting towards the left. Left hand in back, right hand resting on the left knee. Sitting nice and tall here, lengthen through the spine. Nice slow inhales. Slow exhales. On an inhale, we will release. Back to center, inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, twisting to the right. Again, sitting nice and tall. Inhale, release back to center. We'll straighten the legs, lean back slightly. You can lean on your hands here. And we'll begin to point and flex the toes. Just warming up the ankles, the feet. And if it feels good, you can go ahead and begin to circulate the ankles. So just just going in both directions here. Go ahead and hug the knees to chest, big squeeze here, and when you're ready, allow the knees to fall open, bottoms of feet to touch for seated butterfly pose. And this might feel a little intense in the morning, so go ahead and either place pillows under the knees or straighten one leg and place some pillows under that knee if you need to. Listen to the body. And wherever you are, sit nice and tall. And with each exhale, allowing the knees to be heavy here. And if it feels good, you can sway side to side. Very gentle movement. This is one of my favorite things to do in the early mornings. It just feels really good on the lower back and side body. Just a really good lower back release. Hugging knees to chest. And we'll go ahead and come to our knees, walking the hands forward, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Sighing out any tension within the shoulders and upper back. With each exhale, coming to tabletop, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhaling, dropping the belly, take your gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement, again going at your own pace. Start to walk the hands towards the top of the mat. Option to bring the forehead to the mat and melt the chest down, or begin swaying side to side, so just finding some movement here. Coming back to your tabletop position, inhaling, the right hand reaches up. Gentle twist, exhale, threading it underneath that left arm. Left hand can rest at the top corner of the mat, or for a deeper stretch, go ahead and take a bind. Release. Inhale, left hand reaches up. Exhale, thread it under the right arm. Option here to take a bind. Release, sending the hips down towards the heels for child's pose. Hands resting beside the feet, taking a moment here, allowing the body to be really heavy, so just sighing out any excess tension the body does not need. And we'll inhale, rounding up, one vertebrae at a time. Inhale, hands up overhead, reach tall. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.